Oh, we got another vacuum cleaner in the mail? I wonder which one this is. Let's find out. So what we have right here is a 1995 Singer slash Durabuilt 10.5 amp upright vacuum. This is a 2-speed model. I believe they're all 2 speeds, but this is my first time owning one. You may have guessed, another cut cord. It's very common with the vacuums I'm finding. You can see it is from, well, it's backwards, but it's from 1995 by looking at that number right there. Model HB14103. That's the underneath of the machine. Like what I said at the Kenmore, I would try my best to get this up and running again. Thank you guys for watching, and I am out. See ya.